All right, I'm going to work on the drive here. This particular lawnmower has a stubborn problem where it won't do the forward drive, so I'm going to be working on that. So I'm going to first inspect to see what it is. I'm taking off the plastic guard. Looking to see what the problem might be. This is pretty loose, and when we engage it, it doesn't seem to want to stay engaged. So this is probably enough tension here, but I would imagine there are some gears or something underneath that are loose. So I'm going to inspect that.